Bullish Mobox cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $2.36 and $4.46 by 2030. Market examiners accept Mbox could reach $1.84 by 2025. Bearish Mobox market cost expectation for 2023 is 41 cents. Mobox presentation. As digital forms of money became standard, their applications have likewise moved past method for installment. One such application is the somewhat new non-fungible token. NFTs are remarkable advanced resources that only one individual can claim. Yet, what precisely do NFTs mean for the crypto world? And how have they changed the game in the recently arising metaverses? Enter the Mobox coin. In this video, we'll go over the essentials of Mobox and let you know all that you really want to be aware of the coin's anticipated cost, so you can choose whether to purchase Mobox. In this way, continue to peruse for the total Mobox value expectation and contributing it. What is Mobox? The Mobox coin isn't exactly a conventional coin on the crypto market fundamentally, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Rather, it's a local utility token. Accordingly, the assessed cost expectation varies contrasted with the cost expectation for other ordinary digital currencies. The venture that Mobox coin was worked for to act as a utility token is the Mobox convention. The Mobox convention is a yield-cultivating crypto project that creates coins for the Mobox and internet gaming metaverse. What is a utility token? A utility token, at times known as an application coin or a client token, is an exceptional kind of crypto token that permits token holders to utilize items and administration. Accordingly, the Mobox token is the token inside the Mobox convention, permitting clients to get to administrations inside the Mobox metaverse. Utility tokens have different expected expectations and projections contrasted with run-of-the-mill cryptographic forms of money. The justification for these distinctions is that utility tokens are frequently unregulated. They structure a miniature economy inside various blockchains and in this way have an alternate cost expectation, market cap, and future cost conjecture. What is a yield cultivating undertaking? Yield cultivating is a method for benefiting by loaning digital currency and benefiting through interest. In spite of the fact that yield cultivating isn't really a wise interest temporarily, it might get a decent return 2 or 3 years' time given that the money has a consistent cost increment. Yield cultivating projects are otherwise called DeFi, or decentralized finance projects. That is on the grounds that clients loan or get coins on a decentralized exchanging stage. Whether a yield-cultivating project is a productive speculation relies to a great extent upon the sort of digital money being exchanged as well as the cost figure. Mobox basic investigation. At first sent off in April 2021, Mobox is a token for exchanging gaming NFTs. All in all, it's a method for procuring and exchange coins as you mess around on the Mobox site. Mobox is gathered and controlled through in-game resources. In any case, not at all like most NFTs which are based on the Ethereum blockchain. Mobox is based on the Binance Brilliant chain. The typical conjecture cost, most extreme cost gauge, and Mobox cost increment are in this way generally connected to the Binance blockchain. This additionally settles on Mobox a harmless to the ecosystem digital currency decision, making it carbon unbiased. Mobox current cost. Mobox is at present worth 52 cents USD. Mbox has moved 1.91% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,603,081. Mobox is at present position 275 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $90,594,071 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Mobox to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Mobox market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Mobox Value Forecast 2023. Mobox, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Mbox cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 78 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 73 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Mbox is supposed to have a base worth of 62 cents. Mobox Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Mobox Mbox cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mbox will before long outperform $1.31. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the MBOX's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, MBOX will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.05 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.15. Mobox value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.84 and MBOX might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. MBOX is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.68 and a low of $1.57 in 2025. Mobox value expectation 2026. Assuming that Mobox effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees, the MBOX coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, MBOX will be green in 2026. The MBOX is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.36, with a base cost of $2.10 and a typical cost of $2.20. Mobox value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the MBOX cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.73 by 2027, with a base cost of $2.62 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, MBOX has a most extreme value worth of $2.88. Mobox value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $3.25. On the off chance that MBOX figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $3.41. Neglecting to accumulate the help MBOX needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $3.15. Mobox value expectation 2029. While MBOX is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $3.67 and a yearly cost close above $3.93 in 2029. Mobox value expectation 2030. By 2030, Mobox will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $4.20 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $4.46, averaging out at $4.30. Mobox value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme MBOX cost in 2031 is projected to be $5.14 in case of a bull